Welcome to today's cybersecurity news briefing. I'm here to bring you the latest updates on critical vulnerabilities and threats impacting the digital landscape. Let's dive into the stories making headlines this week. Our first story involves a new variant of the notorious Mirai botnet, known as Nexcorium. Threat actors are exploiting the vulnerability CVE 2024-3721 in TBK digital video recorders, alongside outdated TP-Link routers, to deploy this Mirai variant. The exploitation forms a powerful distributed denial of service, or DDoS botnet. This highlights the ongoing risks associated with internet-connected devices that remain unpatched or unsupported. It's crucial for organizations and individuals to regularly update their devices to prevent such vulnerabilities from being exploited. Next, we have CVE 2026-41254, affecting Little CMS, or LCMS2, through version 2.18. This vulnerability involves an integer overflow, which can potentially lead to significant security issues. Little CMS is widely used for color management in various applications, and this flaw could impact any software relying on this library for precise color processing. Developers should check their dependencies and update to patched versions to mitigate risks. Moving on to CVE 2026-32690, which affects Apache Airflow version 3.x. This vulnerability allows secret values in nested JSON variables to bypass redaction, posing a risk of sensitive data exposure. Apache Airflow is a popular tool for orchestrating complex data workflows, and this flaw could lead to unauthorized access to confidential information. Users should apply the latest security patches and review their workflow configurations to ensure data protection. In another concerning development, CVE 2026-41253 targets iTerm2, a terminal emulator for macOS. Through version 3.6.9, iTerm2 is susceptible to remote code execution when a specially crafted text file is displayed. This vulnerability underscores the importance of cautious handling of files from untrusted sources. Users are advised to update to the latest version and exercise vigilance when opening files. Finally, we address CVE 2026-6518, impacting the CMP Coming Soon and Maintenance plugin by NiteoThemes for WordPress. Versions up to 4.1.16 are vulnerable to unauthorized file uploads and remote code execution. This poses a significant security risk, especially for websites using this plugin to manage maintenance modes. Administrators should prioritize updating their plugins and review their security settings to prevent unauthorized access. That's all for today's cybersecurity briefing. Stay informed and vigilant in protecting your digital assets. For more updates and insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in.